What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how you can build a raised bed for super cheap even in 2023. So as we can see here, all I did is had 6-foot fence slats, and then I cut one in half off for each side, and that gave me my side panels here. And then I used 2x4s. Any is preferred, but you should try and use the Douglas fir because it's slightly more rot resistant than like whitewood or whatever. So what I did is I just screwed in to this 2x4 on both sides, and these are cedar fence slats, so they are naturally rot resistant. I paid probably only about, I only paid for the fence slats, so I paid for 6 fence slats at $3.56 at Lowe's. And that comes out to just under $25 after tax. So for a 6-foot by 3-foot by 1-foot tall raised bed, it only cost me $25. If I made this out of 5/4 cedar decking or 2x4x8s with that are cedar, that could have cost me upwards of $50 to $75 or even more. I didn't really look at the price for that to calculate that, but I do know that slats is 1/4 of the price than those cedar slats were, or cedar 2x4s. So this is just a quick and easy way you can build a raised bed for cheap, and this should last for at least 5 years depending on your weather, because they are cedar. So I hope you like this video, got something out of it, and take this idea, make it your own. Share with me your budget ideas and thoughts.